are some of my latest artwork, and if you want to watch the process video, then tap the I button. Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. My name is Shreya, Shekhar, and I make video on paintings. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share you all the process video of the painting which was most liked and the most saved. Plus I got a lot of compliments regarding this particular picture. So I uploaded this picture yesterday on my Instagram profile and it received some good impressions, good results. So yeah, I am up with the process video of that particular picture. So yeah, without any delay, let's start. So you can see, as usual, I have covered all the four sides with the masking tape. And one more thing, like I am spreading the water all around the paper so that my paper is not dried up and it catches the watercolor very quickly. So I'm using purple color and the rose one. So with these two colors I'm going to create the background. I have applied a lot of captions. Also I've tried to explain the video as much as possible, so even if you are not able to understand and if you feel that something is missing in the video and you want to give any suggestion, you are really welcome. Just drop the comments in the comment section and I will consider your point. Plus please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you want to watch more such videos. So yeah, I am starting up now. The products which I'm using in this particular video are, the paper is from Brustro or Creative Hands. So the paper is from Brustro and this weight is 300 GSM. So it is in the size A5. Brushes are also from Brustro and the colors, tube colors, watercolors are also from Brustro. So basically all the products which I'm using in this particular video is from Brustro. Though the video is not sponsored by this company, I've purchased all the products from my own money, but still. So if you want to buy any of these, you can definitely go and purchase it from Amazon. So yeah, plus I have applied this soothing music in the background. So if you are you want something to relax and you want to watch this video, you can definitely enjoy the vibes. So I've tried to make this video a little bit aesthetic, and if you want to enjoy, if you want to watch more such videos, then please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video with your family and friends. And about the video, about the process, I have put the captions as much as possible, and you can see I am doing the process, this wet on wet technique, the way it is. I have not speed up anything, the speed is normal. This is how I was actually painting. And yeah, plus the sitting position for this painting was really very uncomfortable. I was not comfortable while painting this one. So I have done some of the detailings after once I was done with the recording. So yeah, you can also do that with the sketch pen and scale, because of some of the elements were there which I give the touch up before clicking the picture. So yeah, that's it. So I hope that you are liking my videos. I hope you are loving my efforts. Plus I think you can see the improvement which I have done in these 40 days in my videos plus in my paintings. So if you are really liking my work, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and drop the comments in the comment section. I really love to read all your comments. And one more thing, the canvas painting which I showed in the previous clip before really starting up the process video, that is up for sale. So if you want to buy the canvas painting, then you can definitely drop the comment. The shipping is completely free all over India and the price is very minimum. Just drop the comment and I will tell you the prices. Plus this canvas painting is going to be available along with the framing. So yeah, in a very minimum price you are getting framing as well as free shipping and a very beautiful canvas painting. So if you are like really interested, just drop the comments and I will come to you, or just drop your Instagram profile or WhatsApp number, I will contact you guys. So yeah, now back to the video. Once like in previous videos I never told you all where you have to stop and where you have to let the painting dry. So in this video I have tried this. I have like mentioned where you have to stop and where you have to let the painting dry for 5 to 10 minutes. So I hope that was a bit useful for you guys, for beginners. And if you're trying out this painting, then please definitely tag me on my Instagram profile. I love to watch all the results, all the recreative pictures of you guys. And yeah, please, if you have not followed me on my Instagram profile, just I will drop the link in the description box and you can tap the link and follow me over there also, because I'm super active on my Instagram also. So yeah, that's all for today's video. That's all for the explanation. For the elements part, I want to tell you one thing, like if you're not comfortable with brushes and black color in some of the initial days, then you can definitely use the sketch pen or black marker or fine liner or anything of that sort. It is absolutely fine to use those products for a few days. Then you can work with the brush after you are completely used to of using watercolors. So yeah, that's all finally guys for this video. And if you really like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Watch the complete video by the way, because I am signing off very soon. And yeah, we will meet tomorrow and we'll meet with something new, something different, and obviously something more aesthetic. So I hope that you like my video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hit the bell icon, and we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, take care, bye.